What's up, guys? Jacob here with ZZ Diesel. I got a really cool product spotlight video for you guys that are 6.0 Powerstroke owners. This is our ZZ-342. It is our weldless billet coolant Y-Pipe that goes under your Degas bottle, or if you don't want to call it a Degas bottle, your coolant reservoir on the driver's side. Many of you guys know that from the factory, this pipe is a plastic piece that's all integrated from the factory. They're notorious for cracking. They can leak. You can have a coolant leak on the ground. If you see a coolant leak by your driver's side front tire, this could possibly be where it's coming from. A lot of times they're drying out, they're cracking, or maybe you just want to upgrade so you don't have the problem. Obviously, a lot of you 6.0 guys go in there to fix the problems that are associated with those trucks. This is one of the things that we highly recommend. It's going to come with all your clamps. You're just going to go in there, replace that section, and it's going to fix your issue. So you guys can find this billet coolant Y-Pipe for your 2003 to 2007 6.0 liter Powerstroke on our website, zzdiesel.com. Type in part number ZZ-342 in our search bar. It'll pull it right up for you. It'll get you helped out. If you have any questions about it or you have any concerns, give us a call. Our number is 800-749-0688.